Good afternoon, guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to calculate the profitability index in Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so you can see that in this sheet I have already prepared all the necessary thing that we need to prepare. Okay, and this is our the question part, and all the remaining part is our the calculated or and answer part. Okay, now so before I show you the calculation of all the step of the profitability index, I would like to tell you the meaning of the profitability index. So profitability index is the present value of benefit to the present value of cost of an investment project. That is the total present value divided by NCO. Alright, and you can see that this column is not necessary to calculate it. You can remove it or you can calculate it for the other purpose. Okay. Alright, now you can see that I have made this cell dynamic to display our discount rate here. Whenever we will change this rate from 10 to any number, the discount rate will automatically change here. Okay, along with the PVIF word. Okay, alright, and how you make this cell dynamic, you can watch my previous video. I have already told you that how to make it. It is simple. Just use the and percent here. Alright, based on this column, let's calculate the PVIF. So press the equal to sign and now press the value 1 divide by 1 plus our discount rate. Now press the FOK to absolute reference. Press the close parenthesis. Now press the power sign from your keyboard and now click here. Now press the enter key. Alright, now click here and drag from here to here. Alright, now for present value you can simply multiply these two columns. So press the equal to sign. Now click here times click here. Now press the enter key. Now click here and drag from here to here. For cumulative, just click here to get the reference value, this one. And now for second column, just add the first one with the second value of the present value. Now press the enter key and now click here and drag from here to here. Alright, okay, so based on the profitability index formula, we have to calculate the total present value here. It is the modified function of net present value. And the net present value, we can see that here the divide sign will replace by minus sign, but in the profitability index the minus sign has been replaced by divide sign. That's it. Okay, now so let's calculate the total present value, and the total present value can be calculated by using the sum if function. Now let's follow this formula. For range, just select from here to here. Now press the F key to absolute reference, comma. For criteria, I'm going to type the greater sign here, okay, with double quotation mark and 0, comma. For sum range, just select this column from here to here. Alright, now press the close parenthesis. Now press the enter key. Alright, for NCO, it also be calculated by using the same formula, that is sum if formula. So type the sum if formula here. Alright, for range, just select from here to here. Now press the F key to absolute reference, comma. For criteria, here the less than sign will be used with 0, comma. For sum range, just select from here to here. Now press the F key to absolute reference, press the close parenthesis. Now press the enter key. Alright, now for our final answer, just divide TPV by NCO. Okay, so press the equal to sign and now click here, press the divide sign from your keyboard and click here. But before pressing the enter key, just use the absolute function here, that is ABS function, to get the positive amount of NCO, because we are going to calculate the ratio, that is the present value of benefit divided by present value of NCO, right? So this NCO is already in the negative form, so we have to convert in the positive form. That's why we have used the ABS function. Okay, now press the enter key. Alright, we got it. 1.30 is our profitability index, meaning the project should be accepted. And based on the profitability index, we can make the decision by using the three parameters. The first parameter is that PI will greater than 1, then we should understand that our net present value is in the positive, hence we should accept the project. Similarly, when the PI will less than 1, then we should understand that our net present value will be negative, hence we should reject the project. Similarly, when PI will exactly equal to 1, then we should understand that our net present value will 0, hence we should make the decision based on consideration of qualitative factors. Okay, you can make the function 2 to display your answer automatically. Okay, so for this one I'm going to use the if function. So press the equal to sign, write the if function. If this one is greater than 1, then what will happen? Project should be accepted. Similarly, if this one is less than 1, then what will happen? Project should be rejected. Otherwise, decision should be made based on qualitative factors. Now close parenthesis, now press the enter key. Alright, you can see that based on our example or our questions, we should accept the project. Similarly, if you will change the discount rate from 10 to any other number, let's see what will be the effect on the profitability index. For example, I'm going to put the 8%. You'll see still we have the positive profitability index, hence we should be accepted. Similarly, I'm going to put the discount rate from 8 to 25%. Now let's see what will be effect on the profitability index. So guys, it's a very easy to calculate it. That's all for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please hit the notification bell too for quick updates. If you want to learn more, you can visit my blog site too. The link has been kept in the description box below. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.